don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by the one, the only Marginator.
Sure, Stibo.
Yeah.
First thing first, before Rahul,
King.
Arna coach.
What do you
Arna coach.
What do you
It's a manager. You can't have a coach in the arena.
Yeah.
It's a manager.
He's a manager.
Yeah.
Kibo mambala le di
But the coach, bana coach go naturena or go tlorkopo go the coach more na le manager. Na le manager. Na le manager.
Ah, tiketana mo.
Na le manager. Understand? Yeah, na coach. O sa loko go Old Trafford ba re gona le coach. Go Banebe ba re gona le coach.
Oh, ke di
Manager.
Yeah.
We have a manager, and today he managed the situation.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Very good game, and more leaking the clean sheet.
Fair.
We won it today.
Yeah.
We won it China Udiran. Clean sheet.
The push-up game is
That's why I get it. World Cup, China, Peterson.
Yeah.
Then we know clean sheet guaranteed.
What about Williams?
Emanya, Rata Mo. Yeah, and I like the way the game went today. But really top notch.
Yes.
That guy is a star.
Yes.
Mbutuma, guys, can we please give Mbutuma a chance?
Yes.
Relax. Striker Sarana Saukora 1 goal per school term.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
This guy has got 12 played 12 games.
Yes.
3 goals.
Yeah.
1 goal per 4 game.
1 goal per 4 games, yeah.
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 It's a defensive strike. So remove a chance at Juliana fast.
Yeah.
And then refocus on Mbutuma, recruiting Mbutuma. Mbutuma will give us something I saw today.
Yeah.
So Stibo, otherwise I'm happy with the game.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with the team.
Yeah.
We are definitely in an arena.
Yeah.
You can even feel the wind. It's not the same.
Asimoya wa FNB.
Oh,
I want more hlaba.
Complete. Neighbor, welcome to an arena. Welcome to an arena. Ukopela uska hlapa utlontsha moyanyana wa arena ubona. Yeah. Utla hlapa tomorrow.
Today's the first and last time mpona more likely more arena lane. Because more PSR ultimately 16. But Ronaldo team won. Because
I qualify.
Yeah.
Because Arcana Ravilla got option for more.
You'll never come to the arena.
They won't qualify.
Why?
Because the quality of football in an arena. You can't take poor quality of football and bring it in an arena. You can't. You can't. And we don't want coaches here. We want managers.
Yeah.
Those ones were interpretally mamang.
Cedricas.
Kemang Cedric.
I'm telling you,
He's the coach.
Now it's about Cedric the entertain.
Our comedian. Not Diamond.
No wonder badala batsega kana ba coach ke Cedric. No wonder.
He's a comedian.
He's a comedian. That's why badala pole comedy ba raga ba ba cross go tsena ka rapana. Yeah. They are not serious.
Yeah.
Tibos.
Yeah.
Otherwise are itswalle sharp. Well done Buccaneers. Proud of you boys. We're going places.
Thank you, Imaginator. Thank you, Imaginator. Thank you.